Hello guys, it's me Hasper with WTI, and doing my nails at home is my new thing. So that's why I got this UV/LED lamp, and I'm gonna show you right now how it works and why I think it's so amazing.
This UV LED nail lamp from SUNUV has two timers, the 30-second one and 60-second one, which allow you to preset the timer for any of your purposes. And this is my favorite feature. I love the sensor because you just have to put your hand in and it will come on automatically, just in case you do your nails on your own. Here's how I do it. My nails are still wet over here. Then I put them in for about 60 to 90 seconds just to make sure they're all dry and ready to go. I want to make sure they're all cured, so I don't, get a little messy. So I don't want them to be tacky. And then here's the final result. I love how they look, very professional. So it's worth it.
So if you guys like to do your nails at home just like me, this lamp will do. It dries up your nails really fast. You won't have to be worried about messing them up. And yeah, you can actually do your nails in no time, especially when you are in a rush. It happens to us all the time, girls. And yeah, this has done a lot for me. I think it could do a lot for you too, but that's just my point of view.